Hello friends. Welcome to Apna English Seeko. Today, we'll learn 50 useful English sentences for school and college. Let's start.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. May I come in, please? May I come in, please? May I sit here? May I sit here? Can you repeat it, please? Please explain it again. Please explain it again. I did not understand this topic. What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? How do we spell it? How do we spell it? Is this correct? Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. क्लास एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए कौन सा सेंटेंस यूज़ करना है देख लीजिए. May I answer the question? May I answer the question? I know the answer. I know the answer. Can I write on the board? Can I write on the board? Shall I read this paragraph? Shall I read this paragraph? Please give me a pen. Please give me a pen. I have completed my work. I have completed my work. I am still working on it. I am still working on it. Please check my notebook. Please check my notebook. Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? Let me try once. Let me try once. Permission or request. May I go out for a moment? May I go out for a moment? May I go to the washroom? May I go to the washroom? Can I drink water, please? Can I drink water, please? May I open the window? May I open the window? May I close the door? May I close the door? I am feeling unwell. I am feeling unwell. I will be back in a minute. I will be back in a minute. Sorry for the interruption. Sorry for the interruption. I forgot my notebook. I forgot my notebook. I will bring it tomorrow. I will bring it tomorrow. Mistakes and apologies. Mistakes and apologies. Sorry, I am late today. Sorry, I am late today. Sorry, I forgot my homework. Sorry, I forgot my homework. I will not repeat this mistake. I will not repeat this mistake. It will not happen again. It will not happen again. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Group work or Sammanipatu. Group work and Sammanipatu. Let us start the work. Let us start the work. Let us do it together. Let us do it together. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Can you help me please? Can you help me please? I agree with you. I agree with you. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. That is a good idea. That is a good idea. Let us ask the teacher. Let us ask the teacher. Let us revise once again. Let us revise once again. क्लासरूम खत्म होने पर the class is over. The class is over. May I leave now? May I leave now? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Goodbye, teacher. Thank you.